Welcome to Fun Grammar for the Beginner. My name is Joanna. The lesson today is past simple. They worked in a bank.
He finished work late.
We lived in Brazil.
I carried a big bag.
She walked to work.
The train stopped in Barcelona.
We played tennis.
You talked a lot.
I relaxed at the weekend.
He waited for the bus. They traveled by train. She needed a new coat.
Where did you park the car? I parked it near the restaurant.
Did you finish your homework?
No, I didn't finish all of it. It was very late.
What did you study at university?
I studied economics.
Did you like the concert?
No, I didn't like it very much. The singers were terrible.
Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, we watched a very good program.
Did you close the door when you went out?
Of course, I closed it.
Did you cry at the end of the film?
Yes, I cried a lot. When did you arrive in Tokyo?
We arrived very late, around 1 a.m.
I have 2 eggs for breakfast this morning. Did she go to Spanish classes last year?
We didn't have lunch at home last week.
Mike didn't go to work by car yesterday.
They went to school by bus yesterday.
What time do you get up this morning?
Did you do sport or exercise last weekend? You didn't do the housework yesterday.
I don't get up early this morning.
What did you have for lunch today?
I had fish. What's for dinner?
Did you do the housework?
No, but I did my homework.
Where did you go last night?
I didn't go out. I stayed at home.
What time did the children get up?
They got up very late. They were tired. What did you have for breakfast?
I didn't have breakfast. I wasn't hungry. I just had a coffee.
Did Pedro go to judo last week?
He didn't go on Monday, but he went on Wednesday because he wasn't well.
Thanks for watching.